Hi, to bake chocolate sponge in oven, I will place this baking plate on short metal rack. Keep it in oven. I will sift dry ingredients twice. I have taken 3/4 cup wheat flour. I will take out half tablespoon of wheat flour. And add half tablespoon cocoa powder, half teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, 1/8 teaspoon salt. Sifted dry ingredients twice. I will grease pan with oil. Next, in a dry bowl, I will take fresh curd, 1/4 cup, powdered sugar, oil and chocolate essence. 1/4 cup fresh curd. To this, I will sift and add 1/4 cup powdered sugar. Mix well. Now I will add 1/4 cup oil. Mix well. Add 1/4 teaspoon chocolate essence. Sift and add half of the dry ingredients taken. Now I will mix using cut and fold method. Sift and add remaining dry ingredients and mix using cut and fold method. Now I will add 1/4 cup milk. I will first add half of the milk taken, mix well and then add the remaining half. So this is the consistency of the batter. After adding 1/4 cup milk, I needed 1 tablespoon milk more to mix the batter. Now I will add half teaspoon vinegar and mix gently. Transfer cake batter into cake tin. Tap cake tin 3-4 times. Preheat oven. Press preheat button. Set temperature to 150 degree. Press start button. Again set temperature. Set time and press start button. After cooling, I have taken out cake from cake tin. Thank you.